The broadcast is now starting. All attendees are in listen-only mode.
Morning, fellas, and happy Friday, guys. Today is Friday, August 25th, and can I get a sound check, please? Can I get a sound check, guys? Sound is good? Perfect. Well, we've got Powell at 10:05. We probably also have Michigan consumer sentiment at 10 o'clock. We do, and nothing else. Powell at 10:05. Harker at 11. Mester at 11:30. Goolsby at 12:30. Goolsby again at 2 o'clock. And Mester at 2:30. I can tell you today will probably be a significantly volatile trade. I would caution you all to trade smaller. Morning, Soph. I suspect that we're going to be all over Hell's Half Acre today. Sure. U.S. government required disclaimer. Futures and options trading has large potential rewards, but also large potential risk. You must be aware of the risks and be willing to accept them in order to invest in the futures and options markets. Do not trade with money you can't afford to lose. This website is neither a solicitation nor an offer to buy or sell futures or options. No representation is being made that any account will or is likely to achieve profits or losses similar to those discussed on the website. Past performance of any trading system or methodology is not necessarily indicative of future results. CFTC Rule 4.41, hypothetical or simulated performance results have certain limitations. Unlike an actual performance record, simulated results do not represent actual trading. Since trades have not been executed, results may have under or overcompensated for the impact, if any, of certain market factors such as lack of liquidity. Simulated trading programs in general are subject to the fact that they're designed with the benefit of hindsight. No representation is being made that any account will or is likely to achieve profits or losses similar to those shown. This presentation is for educational purposes only. The opinions expressed in this presentation are mine and mine alone. All trades presented should be considered hypothetical and should not be expected to be replicated in a live trading account. Last but not least, past performance is not indicative of future results. The fact that I may or may not be in a trade does not lend more or less credence to any trade. Please trade according to your own accounts. Please trade according to your tolerance for risk. 93.50. That's close enough for hand grenades. Take some risk off. We just traded up into this zone. This is a fairly wide, low volume area in here. We could move as high as that high volume node, right around the whole number before we reject. If we can get over that, we probably reject here anyways. Okay. I would consider a short at 95.50. Apex is already having issues. That should be blue. Apex is having issues already. That did not place. and it won't cancel. There you go. The hell is it with them? All right, guys. Let's see what we got here. NASDAQ looks like it wants to back test the turning line on the daily. Right around 15,000 again. Hourlies are short. And we could go back up and test 15,000. ES held the bottom of the daily cloud at some point in the overnight session, 43.80. And now looks like we also again want to come back up here to the turning line. If we can get through 44.33, ES is going back up to back test the 50-day moving average again. Same look on the hourly, short, getting a reversal. 10 minutes have been long. YM yesterday closed below the 200-day moving average, has reclaimed the 200-day. The YM looks like it's going to bid back to the 100-day. 380, another 100 points higher. Hourlies are short, getting a reversal. 10 minutes are long. Crude looks like it wants to break out of this channel. It's pushing this downtrend line. Next target up would be $80.65. Hourlies are long, 10 minutes are long. Gold pushing yesterday's high at 48.5 area. A break above that, you're going to back test the 100-week moving average, 51. Gold is long to 51. Hourlies are long. 10 minutes are long. Small time frame stuff. Long, long, long. I will try a short at this area, 99. All right. May not get there. Good morning, James. Not going to get there. It's fouling that area. I missed a bad tick. You suck. Okay. Still think we're coming back to 84. I have made one minor adjustment to the bots. I am using one of the time filters. I am using the 9:30 start time with instantly submit. Had I used these yesterday, we would have caught that short. So at 9:30, the bots will come on and instantly submit trades. Crude, nothing. Get rid of that. Take a look at YM. That 2 is backing off marginally. Gold target is 51. Maybe 52. I like the short to 84, but it just not much movement. It's not it's not a gigantic trade, to be sure. We're just slow, guys, all the way around. I really don't have much. If anybody has any questions, comments, feel free. The longer this is spending here, we're going to start filling in this gap. Yeah, man, I've already said that, Ray. It's going to be volatile as hell. Trade accordingly, especially if you're trading fully funded accounts. Hang on, guys. All right, I'll take the 1,080. It's $1,000. No, we are not. So we're short for some reason on the 7. We are long on the 10, up 3 grand. $3,500 right off the rip. The 1 minute would have been stratospheric. I don't know why that. I think it's an issue with the time filter. So we've now gone long here. Don't know why that took a short, but we're long across the board. $4,200 on the 10 minute. Now 600 here. Get rid of that for now. I'll put this here. And I'm going to take this off with 2,800. Take that off. And I'm not going to mess with the 1 minute now. Come on, Floyd, find something else to do than criticize me. Will you please? Seriously? You want to run the show? Hey, Ash. $1,400 buyers. We could pull back now to 90. We're starting to turn over. NASDAQ is going to short again. No, small sellers. We're pushing this resistance here, fellas. This has got a lot of work to do to get up through 38. Just missed my target. You scum. All right, I'm out. It's a short, though. They're buying some here. It's just really, really choppy. I don't want the long. Down to 1,100, 1,200. We could go back to 37 from here. 37 now. Now it comes down. I'm going to hit this again, guys. If this rolls over again. We're still fighting this resistance in here. I'm going to short this up move. Nope, didn't get it. Damn it. All right, 1,400 buyers. We got 2 bots with trades on. We're pushing through that resistance. $1,700 buyers. Here comes that 55. Okay. I've got them set for shorts now across the board. If you took the short, it's 43.90. I don't know if that was prepared speech that they just read or he started speaking. Five is close to firing a short. All right, the 3-minute now has 3 contracts on. Short. There were 900 sellers in the previous 3-minute bar. We're going to break down, guys. We're going to break down. They've got longs FUBU'd. Holding the bottom of the 2-minute cloud. ES is broken below that. Next target down. All right, we're short on the 5. 5 went short with 2 contracts. Not the best time to be trading, but all right, now the 10-minute is short. The only one that's not short is the 7, which is odd. We could go back to 38. If this breaks down below that swing low at 80, it gets waylaid, just waylaid. Insignificant buyers. I think we're going back to 38. That's resistance. We tagged 38. And then above that, we probably go back to 54. If you guys are interested in that. ES could pull back now to 06. Above 44, we probably trade back to 50. I told you guys early on, today is just a random trade. That's all it is, random. Above 44, we're going up. We're going back to 50. This should go to 50. Above 44. That's support. There it goes. There's 50. Looks like it wants to go back up and test the high. ES, next target up would be 13. And if we get back above that swing high at 15 or so, ES could break out. Could be a massive breakout on the ES. Got to take out that day high. And then ES target, next target would be 22. ES is going to break out, fellas, I think. So they trapped longs, they trapped shorts, and now they're moving back up into the highs. Next target on ES would be 22 and then 30. There's the breakout. So 22 would be target now. Yeah, this is untradeable, guys, unless you're trading really small. It's not anything you want to trade. This is just fun goofing. $22 is next target now on ES. There it is, almost 2150. And above that, we're going 4430. And don't be surprised later today when this thing just blows down the other way. It's always V-shape. Q, bring it down to a base and jack it up. Yeah. Maybe so. Maybe so. Guys, today, again, is all traps. Next target up is 4430. I can tell you what happens based on levels. I told you, if we come through here and get a close, we did at 13. Target was here. Next target is here, 30. Powell's done already? That was quick. Okay. I promise you later today, they're going to undo half of this stuff. I promise you. Now we're getting a small pullback, which I think is shortable. We're coming back to 64. We're coming back to 64. Now they got longs that are sucking gas. 64 and then 32, fellas. 64 and then 32. ES is going to pull back to the break at 11. There it is. Let's see if this holds on the ES. Small bounce off 11. That was where we broke out. $64, which I think we just tagged. 65.50. And then below that, we're coming down to 32. 64.75. All right, I'm off by 3 now. I'm getting lag. We're at 59. We're at 59.60. Next target down is 32 if you're short. Now they got longs trapped. That's all today is. Trap longs, trap shorts. All right, let me turn all these back on. Yeah. That's because price is just crazy stupid, fellas. Crazy stupid. This is short 3 on the 5-minute. We're down to 700. I'm telling you, we're coming down to 87 next. If we catch that swing low at 80, it's going to be obscene. Right here. Below that swing low, 80, this is going to be obscene. Okay, short 3. We just caught the swing at 80. You got a $1,500, $1,700 trade here. 1,300 on the 3-minute. The only one not in a trade is the 7-minute. That should go next. It's on. It should be short. Here comes yesterday's close. We're down to 40 contracts positive delta. $5 minutes up $4,000. So they trapped shorts, trapped longs, and now they're back near the bottom here. 862 is yesterday's close, which I suspect is where we probably come. On the hourlies, we break down. All right, we now have 6 on the 3-minute. And we're short on the 5 with 3. I don't know why the 10 hasn't dumped yet, or the 7. Back to VWAP. Is there anybody that needs trades? I'm done for the day, fellas. There's my day, 44.50. I'm done. I'm just watching bots. If I trade, it'll be later. I'm not trading this mess. I told you, ES. I gave you the short on the ES. ES is easier to trade than the NASDAQ. Yeah, guys, at the onset, I told you this was going to be this is a trap day. That's what today is. It is, Derek. Nice job, Randy. New York Stock Exchange volume 25% below our average daily volume. VIX is down 3%. That's interesting. Look at SPY. Believe it or not, RSI on the 60-minute is almost oversold. I mean, we could get a big reversal here later. More Fed speakers to come, guys, all day. All day. Hang on, guys. Sorry. We now have 7 on the 3-minute. I mean, if this gets a massive breakdown, this could be huge. We should come down to 62, which is value area low where this may stop. Negative delta 400 contracts now. Nice job. I mean, yeah, I've hit my far exceeded my daily goal. I'm done. ES is pushing the bottom of that daily cloud again at 82. If 82 breaks on ES, it's going to get hit. A 7-minute just shorted. Six now short on the 5-minute. 6 short. My opinion is this thing is going to die, but it's taking its sweet time getting there. $160 buyers just came in. SPY is sitting on some support. I don't know that it holds. This is from yesterday. Here's Q's holding some support as well. Still think we got to get 62. I will kill all these trades at 63. It's value area low. We're definitely going to bounce off 63. Although on the 10-minute, I do have a target down at 828. All right, there's 63, guys. We're going to bounce here. Oh, it's trying to push below. That's the only one not in the trade, so I'm going to deactivate that. So you got $5,600 trade on the 3-minute, which now puts that green. $3,400 on the 5, and almost $2,000 now on the 7. We're holding weekly support here. Weekly support. Yeah, the volume is so low though, Randy. I mean, it's $7,000 trade. $7,000 trade. All right, I'm done watching that. That's green now. That can push wherever it wants. Guys, this was down 4,900 because of the miscue on the open. 68.80. 36.95. That's going to wrap it up for me. The 1 minute Floyd said hit 12,000, but I can't get mine to stay on. I'll have to remove the bot and replace it for next week. That's all. All right, fellas, if you guys are here on trial, I hope you are duly impressed with the bot. Please email me what your preference is for membership. Just to reiterate, the 3-minute bot up 1135. The 10-minute bot up 1,095 today. The star of the show is the 5-minute up 66.80, at least for me, the star of the show. And 36.95 on the 7-minute. I did not run it and could not run a 1 minute. Floyd's 1 minute is up over 12,000 bucks. So I don't have the 1 minute. So in any event, guys, have a great weekend.